Calculus, calculus, calculus. How are you doing? On this Wednesday edition, I need to teach you U-substitution tonight. And my battery's a little low, so if it goes out without me saying this part is over, you'll know that I'll start a part 2 after I charge up the battery. So I'll go as long as I can. Alright, we have been integrating with basically this power rule for integration. So tonight we're going to kick it up. Instead of having an x, we're going to have a u. And just like before, when we upgrade from x to u, it's because this u stands for a whole expression with x in it. So we've seen that before. It will allow us to integrate problems like this. And we could do this one by expanding it. We could use Pascal's triangle, or we could just by hand figure out what x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 4, what all that equals 10 times. But I have a much simpler way of doing it, and it's called U-substitution. So the way we do it is we create a little U-substitution box, and in it I pick an expression in x and call it u. So I'm going to choose, if this was just one unknown, u, it would work like this. So I'm going to say that u is x minus 4. And as soon as you pick your u, you have to do your du dx, the derivative of u. And in this case, it's just a 1. And then rewrite that in terms of just du. So multiplying both sides by dx, I get that. So this and this will take the place of everything behind the integral sign. So my x minus 4 is replaced by a u to the 10, and the dx is replaced by a du. Now I have an expression that can follow the power rule for integrals. So I get u to the 11 over 11 plus c. Now I don't want my answers to be in u, so I'm going to go back to x and substitute back. So u takes back the x minus 4, and now it's raised to the 11 over 11 plus c. And this is my answer. Alright, I'll show you another one of those. And I'm going to start my u box, and I almost always take whatever is raised to an exponent to be my u. And you'll see where the 10 comes out to play in a minute. So I'm going to say u equals 5x squared minus 3. So du dx is the derivative of that, 10x. And now I solve that just for du. I get 10x dx. So here's my 10 and my dx. So 10x, oops, there is an x in this problem. I forgot to write it. I'm sorry. Would you stick it back in? Alright, 10x dx are now in the problem. This part and this part will be replaced by the du. And this 5x squared minus 3 takes on the u, and it's raised to the 6. So once again, I have something I can integrate. It becomes u to the 7 over 7 plus c. Back to x land. 5x squared minus 3 raised to the 7 over 7 plus c. Alright, I'm pretty much out of battery, so I will take this moment to say see you on part 2, where we'll do a couple more of these and bring in a little complication to entertain. Okay, see you then.